वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम कुछ मेजर स्टार्टअप कंपनीज के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जिनका टाई अप री लेवल के साथ है। वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द कंपनी, द CTC, the experience that you require to get into a company, and how to apply for the company. However, getting into one of the big startup is difficult. They are always hiring from tier 1 campuses like IITs, IIMs, and also these companies get a lot of resume for every role when they open up. So there are chances that your resume might get missed. So now applying into this big five startups become easier, like Upgrad, Cred, Razorpay, Urban Company, Yellow Messenger.
So you will not require your resume anymore to appear for these companies. Instead, these companies have started hiring through tests where candidates can sit for the tests and get a score. And based on that score, you will become eligible for interviews with these companies. So we'll be describing the details of all the companies in the coming slides, and then we'll also be showing you the process to apply for the tests.
So guys, these are all the companies that hire for backend developer, and these are all the companies which hire for business developers.
So as you all know about Cred, Cred is one of the fastest growing unicorn in India with a valuation of $2.2 billion. Cred is hiring for back-end and front-end development roles. CTC being offered is 14 to 26 LPA, and ideal candidate they are looking for is 0 to 3 years of experience, and passing out of 2021 would be preferable. Now the skill set they require is coding ability with writing of clean code in the languages of Java, Golang, Python, C Sharp, CPP, Ruby, or JavaScript, and use of proper data structures with the best practice of problem solving skills. Coming to Razorpay, founded in December 2014, Razorpay is a new age, well funded startup in the payment and financial industries. Razorpay is also hiring for back end development roles. The CTC that they are giving is from 20 to 24 LPA. Now, the ideal candidates required 0 to 1 year of experience, and again, passing out 2021 batch will be preferable. So, the languages that they should know is to code in PHP, Python, Java, C++, along with they should know about problem solving skills. So, coming to Upgrad is an online education platform and is one of the top 25 sought after companies in India. Upgrad is hiring for business development as well as backend development roles. The CTC being offered in business development is 4 to 5 LPA, and backend development is 10 LPA. So the ideal candidate would be having 1 to 3 years of experience, and preferred skills would be for the backend development. It will be JUnit, Java 8, Spring Boot, MongoDB, MySQL, Jira, as well as AWS. And for business development, it will be excellent and efficient communication skills.
Urban Company is the largest online services company with a valuation of over $2 billion. And it's hiring for business development roles. So the CTC that they're offering is from 3 to 6 LPA. And the ideal candidates that they're looking for should be having 0 to 1 years of field experience and graduation in any field. The preferred skills and competencies that they're looking for is field experience. Coming to Yellow Messenger, it's Asia's largest conversational AI platform for enterprises. Yellow Messenger is hiring for backend development roles, and the CTC that they are offering is from 3 to 10 LPA. And the ideal candidates again should be having 1 to 3 years of experience with preferred skills in JavaScript and Node.js. Vedantu is India's leading online tutoring company, which enables students to learn live with some of the India's best curated teachers. The CTC that they are offering is from 3.3 to 6 lakhs, and the ideal candidates that they're looking for should be from 2021 batch, 0 to 1 years of experience, and the preferred skills are communication skills and sales ability. In addition to getting job opportunities at the top startups, there are also amazing opportunities in business development roles. So, CureFit is an integrated health, wellness, and fitness platform, as you already must be knowing. In a short span of 3 years, CultFit has been ranked number 2 in the top 25 startups of 2018 and 2019. and they are hiring for business development roles. The CTC that they're offering is 5.5 LPA, and the ideal candidates are college graduate with minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience as medical representative in pharma, healthcare, insurance industry, or telesales experience in pharma industry. The preferred skills that they're looking for is excellent communication skills and ability to quickly learn concepts. So, how exactly do you think you can apply for these amazing startups? This is where Relevel comes in, and we'll be guiding you through the whole process as to how to apply for these startups.
So this is the website of Relevel. The link will be in the description box below. So we will walk through the process how to register for the exams. So click on register, and then you have to select one of the following, that is business development or front end or back end. If I choose the part for backend, so before moving on to registration, there are total of 5 tests, and all the tests can be given in one day. So this is the detail of it. Check it down below. Now proceeding with the registration, you have to enter your phone number. So after entering the number, you will receive an OTP. Just enter the OTP and click on continue. So as you can see, we have successfully logged in into Relevel. Now after that, click on register now, and you will see some of the slots. So you can book any of the slot. Let's suppose you have taken the slot of July 23, 2021. Confirm the slot, and here is the part where you have to fill the exam fee, and then proceed ahead.
So you can register for the test by paying 1,999, but we also have a special coupon code that you can use to avail a 10% discount at the time of registration. The code is BSW10. So as you can see, when applied, the price reduces to 1,799. And once you book the slot, you can take your test at your convenience and get the Relevel score.
The higher the Relevel score, the more chances of getting good companies. So the criteria for appearing for Relevel test is you should be 18 years and above, and you should be having 3 years or less of work experience. So the different companies for different domains, you can visit the website and see here. The link will be in the description box below. This is for development to backend development. These all companies hire for backend development. This for business development, and this is for front end development.
So once you receive your Relevel score, you just need to create your candidate profile, and Relevel will guide you with the process. After you're done with creating your candidate profile, you can just sit back and relax. Companies will reach out to you based on your profile.
So I hope guys कि process clear होगा कि how to apply on Relevel, and what all are the companies that are visiting or have a tie up with the Relevel. All the links will be in the description box below. If there is any query, you can comment down below, or you can check on Relevel website itself. And also guys, don't forget to check out our other videos about placement interviews and as well as the job updates. And तब तक के लिए guys, take care. Bye bye.